Is there a difference when renting a home from our professional property management company? We're confident there is, and our tenants agree. They love our online conveniences and responsive customer service. Our tenant-friendly website allows you to schedule a property showing, apply to rent, pay your rent, and even submit maintenance requests, all online. Check out this available property.
This property is located at the address on your screen. We are AHI Properties, a leader in Hoover property management. This townhouse located in the heart of Hoover, Alabama features approximately 2,822 square feet of living space, 4 beautiful bedrooms, and a large one-car garage. Upon entering, you will be greeted with beautiful hardwood floors flowing from the hallway into the main open floor plan that is composed of the foyer, living room, dining area, and kitchen. The living room has a beautiful statement gas log fireplace that is perfect for cold weather. The kitchen is a delight as it is equipped with stainless steel appliances, an island with a breakfast bar, and gorgeous granite countertops. The bedrooms are ample in size while the bathrooms are well appointed. Other features include an unfinished basement for storage, a laundry area, wood blinds, and access to the community pool, exercise area, and walking trails. By living here, you can enjoy easy access to shopping centers, dining, and interstate access. If you are interested in this Hoover, Alabama rental property or want to know what other rentals are available in the area, contact us today. We are ready to help you find your next home.
You can book a showing time online or call us now. We answer calls days, evenings, and weekends. Rent a home from us and discover the difference today.